To change DPI settings on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we can open settings. Now over here in settings we should be able to scroll down and open accessibility. In accessibility we're gonna switch to vision, and then in here we have the display size option, and this is where we can change the DPI setting. So we have extra small size, small and large. If you made any of these changes, if you try to use a different display size than the one that you currently have, then of course we need to tap on this check here in the upper right corner in order to save it. There is one more way to change DPI, but it requires you to go to developer options, and it seems that it doesn't work properly on this phone for some reason. So if we go to about phone, we should be able to keep tapping on the OS version, and then we will have to enter the screen lock password. Once you do, you will see this message that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back, scroll down and choose additional settings. Then over here in additional settings, we're gonna open developer options, and then we need to keep scrolling down until we find an option that is called smallest width, and this is the one. And technically in here, if you provide a smaller number, then everything is going to be bigger. There is also a limit, 320. This is the lowest value that you can provide. At the same time, of course, if you provide a bigger number, then everything is going to be smaller. I'm not sure what the limit is over here, but you always want to be careful with the bigger numbers, because if you provide like a really high number, it might be very difficult to revert that change. But like I said, it seems that here it doesn't work properly, or at least it doesn't always work, because for example, if I, let's say, use 500 over here, then it doesn't change, the DPI didn't change. I saw the difference in these buttons, and you will see that, for example, the text is smaller. There we go. Some of the elements are going to be adjusted, but unfortunately not everything. And even this value over here still didn't change. It still says 390, even though it should be 500 now in my case. So unfortunately, it seems that this option does not really work properly for some reason, and it doesn't really change that much. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.